Welcome to Turn PCB, your trusted partner for rapid prototyping and production. Turn PCB delivers comprehensive turnkey PCBA solutions, specializing in small to mid-volume production with our signature 48-hour rapid prototyping capability. Our full-service ecosystem includes PCB manufacturing, BOM procurement, assembly, and rigorous testing to ensure end-to-end quality. Global reach, local expertise. With 70% of our sales to Europe, the Americas, the Middle East, and Oceania, and 30% to Asia and domestic markets. We support critical applications in medical devices, industrial automation, telecommunications, and semiconductor technologies. State-of-the-art facilities. Since our founding in 2015, we've invested heavily in advanced manufacturing capabilities. PCB fabrication. 4 to 50-layer multi-layer boards, HDI with blind buried vias, high-frequency materials, and rigid flex designs. SMT assembly. Expertise in BGA, QFN, 0201 and 01005 components with full in-house testing. Cutting-edge equipment. Berkel laminators, LDI systems, 3DA OI, X-ray inspection, nitrogen reflow ovens, and high-speed Yamaha placement machines. Quality you can trust. Our ISO 9001 certified facility maintains medical grade, ISO 13485, and military standards compliance with UL and RoHS certifications. Every project undergoes 100% pre-shipment inspection using our full suite of quality control tools. Why choose Turn PCB? 24/7's rapid response team, dedicated support for urgent orders and complex board requirements, end-to-end traceability, project-specific one-to-one service with full process documentation, proven reliability, over 8 years of delivering precision-engineered solutions to global clients. At Turn PCB, we're committed to transforming your design concepts into high-quality, on-time deliveries. Let us help you bring innovation to market faster. Contact us today to discuss your next project.